Hey there, creative minds! Today, I'm going to show you an incredible technique for removing people from images using AI. And guess what? It's completely free! Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, head over to singlequotestyler.ai. Scroll down until you see Realistic Style, and click on it. Now, click on Stylize with it to start the process. Select the aspect ratio and give your project a name. Click on Apply to proceed. Import the image from which you want to remove people. Now, click on Generative Remove to initiate the people removal process. Simply draw around the people you want to remove from the image. Once you're done, click on Export to save your modified image. And there you have it. Your image with removed people is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more AI-powered creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!